Hello everyone and welcome back to the FluidXAV channel. In today's short tutorial, I will show you how to save high quality images including 4K resolution images directly from the ANSYS Fluent. For this demonstration, I will use the post-processing results from my previous tutorial, Marine 3D Dam Break CFD tutorial in ANSYS Fluent. This scene contains the geometry and velocity vectors generated after the simulation, as you can see here. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, here is the scene that I want to export. So as you probably know, we can save the picture in the ANSYS Fluent with using this button, Save Picture, as you can see here. And also you can go to the file and use the save picture here. So both give the same results. If I press here, you will see I have the save picture here. So there are different options like the format of the picture. I'm going to use the PNG file today. And then color and raster as a file type. And there are some options here. Landscape orientation and white background. I have a dark background here in this scene, so I will remove the white background here. And as a default, we are using the window resolution. In my case, it is 960 by 720. So first of all, I will just simply press on the save here, and then I can call this one as the default resolution and then press OK. It will be saved in the working directory. So I will press on the default on the OK. And so I have one picture. So if I bring the picture here, you can see this is the default resolution. I will change and you can see this is 760 kilobyte. Then I will go here. So to have a better resolution, you can uncheck this checkbox here, and then under the select resolution there are different options. You can put your desired resolution manually here, or you can choose one of these options. In this case, I'm going to use the 4K options, and you can see the width and height is for the 4K results. So again, I will press on the save button, and this time I will call it this picture as the 4K resolution, and then press on OK. So after a very short few seconds, you have the file here and the 4K resolution with a different size, 2436 kilobyte, and so you can see the difference between the sizes. So in this case, I will open both files. So click on both and bring in this view here, both of them. So this is, as you can see, 4K resolution, and this is the default resolution. So I will select this one. So this is the 4K resolution picture, and this is the default resolution. So if I zoom in one part of this picture, you can see the quality of this picture. And for the 4K, if I zoom in the same actually zoom area, so like here, when you zoom in, the difference becomes clear. The velocity vectors, as you can see here, appears sharper, the geometry edges are smoother, and the text also and the annotations remain much more readable. So I can go to here in the legend of this two picture. So I can zoom in here, and you can see the difference between the 4K here in the left side and the default resolution. So that's the way we can create high resolution images in the ANSYS Fluent. So that's it all for today, but there are some options like the format. I'm going to explain the AVZ format. So we can use this format actually for our presentation. So to using this type of format, we will use the ANSYS viewers. Actually, these ANSYS viewers enable you to visualize, interpret, and compare ANSYS simulation results without the original simulation softwares. So it helps improve collaboration with colleagues and the customer and provide a way to quickly relay simulation intended end results to your extended design team. So in another video, I will go and show you how we can install this software, ANSYS Viewer, and how we can use this software to see our 3D geometry in the AVZ format. So that's it all for today, and thanks for watching.